welcome back to another series on science. Okay, so we have been learning about light and how light travels in straight lines. So this week we're going to explore more. We're going to do two experiments. So what you would need would be a mirror. You need a phone or a torchlight, okay? And if you have a colander, okay? Usually mommy has this in her kitchen to put the vegetables in, okay? So we're gonna try this later. Right, so let's go ahead, try and do these two experiments. You would need to do this in a dark room though, so you have to switch off all the lights and preferably maybe do it at night so that you get the best effect. Alright, let's go. Alright, so for experiment number 1, you would need to turn on your torchlight, turn it the other way, okay, and then take the colander and put it over the phone. What is the effect when we switch off the lights? And for this you would need to look up, okay? And as you can see, this is my ceiling. So you'll see some beautiful designs. Wow, what do you see, guys? Apart from my fan, you can see light traveling out of the holes from the colander, creating a design up on our ceiling. And this is because light travels in straight lines. So that was experiment number 1. Now I'm going to try experiment number 2. So this is where you need your light, your torchlight, and your mirror. What you need to do is you are going to take the light and face on the mirror, okay? And I'll show you the effect right now. Alright, so this is our wall, okay? And this is, wow, what do you see, guys? You see that light? That's actually the light from my phone reflecting on the mirror. Okay, so look, when I bring the phone closer to the mirror, it actually becomes bigger, and when it's further away, it becomes smaller. Okay, so this one you have to take some patience as well. You have to be patient for this because you need to experiment it for a while and play around the light. So look at that. Right, now I'm gonna explain to you how can this happen. Okay, so here is an explanation as to how do we get that light on the wall. So, like I said just now, we're learning about how light travels in straight lines. When the light goes to your mirror, the light travels and then hits the mirror and gets reflected off, okay? And that is because of what we call reflection, okay? Remember last time we said refraction? Yes, refraction is when the light travels from one medium to another. Reflection happens when light hits a shiny surface like a mirror. Light travels in straight lines, bounces on a shiny surface, and goes off to another surface, which like on the wall, then you see like as if there's another source of light, right? And one interesting thing is our moon is actually not a source of light. It's actually reflecting light from the sun. Okay, so when we see the moon out in the dark sky, it's actually because the sun's ray of light traveling and hitting the surface of the moon and therefore causing it to look like it's shining. Okay, but actually the moon is not shining, it's reflecting light from the sun. Yeah, and this is because, do you know why now? Because light travels in straight lines. That's right. Alright, so today we'll learn about, today we explore more about how light travels in straight lines and also about reflection, right? Okay, so that's our lesson for today. Bye bye, everybody.